Hey guys, it's Robert again. I want to say thanks for watching my channel, subscribing and liking. If you are new to this channel, please check out the videos, and if you like my channel, subscribe below. So my question for you today is, do you own a dash camera? If you do, post it below, and also the brand. If you don't, also post it below. I'd like to know how many people have or have not one of these dash cameras. The reason why I'm out here again talking about my truck, recently I got robbed. They went into my truck and jacked my stuff. One of the subscribers said, "Hey Rob, you should have listened to me and get a BLACKVUE camera." So after some thoughts, I got one. And the one I got is their latest version. It's their DR900S-2, I believe. And the 2 means it has a front and rear camera. And the reason why I got that one is because there's several features. It's because it's 4K camera in the front. It actually has a Wi-Fi connection that goes to the cloud when using a hotspot. So if someone were to take a camera, it's still recorded and you got them. It has this cool time-lapse parking mode, so when it's just sitting there, it will just continuously record. So I also got the option of getting their external battery pack, which is great because now I could run 24 hours on that without using my car battery. This is going to be an overview of the camera really quick. I am working on another video that's going to be a detailed install and pros and cons of the camera. So let's go to it. I also talked to blend mount because I have window tint here and I did not want to use their double-sided tape to mount the camera. There are some options I've seen at Tacomaworld to use the GoPro mount, but one thing I didn't like is that it would be off-centered. So I wanted something centered. So you can see how it sits is actually very adjustable. I can move this closer in and out, and I didn't really move it too far out because I can have controls here to control the Wi-Fi on and off, and on the other side you can touch it to control the audio on and off recording. So this camera does not have a built-in monitor that you can see. You would download the app and actually use that to help adjust your camera aim and other settings. Here's the power cable hookup, and this is their coaxial cable, which is run through the top for the rear camera. Down here, you see that little light there? The battery's there. I'll show another picture of it. Now going through the back, since I had a hard shell Taco, I ran the wire and put the camera up here for the rear camera. This camera is not 4K. This is actually a 1080p, but it's a really good camera. There's a parking mode which I really like. You can have 2 different settings. Real-time recording when it senses movement, or into a time-lapse mode of 1 frame per second. Once it senses movement, it actually goes into real-time and starts recording, which I think it's really beneficial. It helps save the battery, and I've noticed it helps keep the camera cooler. So again, this is just an overview, but so far I really like the camera. On my next video, I will go into details how I installed the front camera, the rear camera, the battery, and some settings. So stay tuned, subscribe and like. Peace out, guys.